Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of connecting your email address to a contact form on your Wix website so that every form submission gets sent directly to your inbox automatically. This is an important setup for any website because it helps you stay on top of customer inquiries, business leads, support requests, and general messages without needing to constantly monitor your Wix dashboard manually. If you already have a contact form added to your site, you're only a few quick settings away from making the entire process seamless and automated. Once everything is connected properly, every time a visitor fills out your form and clicks submit, Wix will instantly send you an email notification so you can respond faster and never miss an important message. Whether you're running a business website, portfolio, online store, booking service, or personal brand, having your contact form linked to the correct email address is a simple but essential step that can improve communication and help you manage your website more efficiently. Start by opening your Wix dashboard. From the left-hand menu, head over to Customers and Leads, then click on Forms and Submissions. This section gives you access to all the forms connected to your website, along with their submission settings. Next, find the specific form you want to connect to your email address. Click the three-dot menu beside it, then choose Form Notifications. This is where Wix controls the email alerts sent whenever someone fills out your form. Inside the notification settings, you'll see an automation that sends an email after a form submission. Open it up and look for the recipient email field. Simply enter the email address where you want to receive notifications. If there's already an old address there, replace it with the inbox you actively check. Once you save your changes, every new form submission on your Wix website will automatically send an email notification straight to your inbox. That means anytime a visitor reaches out through your contact form, whether it's a customer inquiry, support request, booking question, or business lead, you'll be notified instantly without needing to manually check your dashboard. If you don't see emails coming through immediately after testing the form, don't panic. First, double-check that the email address was entered correctly inside the notification settings. Then take a look at your spam, junk, or promotions folder, since some email providers may filter automated notifications there the first time they arrive. Once you mark the messages as safe, future notifications should appear normally in your primary inbox. And that's it. Your Wix contact form is now connected to your email inbox and ready to capture messages automatically. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what other Wix tutorials you'd like to see next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.